Hi, we're walking into 2286 South Blue Island, number 3 front. Large eat-in kitchen, lots of window space, stainless steel fridge and stove, good counter space. This is the living room, and that closet there is the furnace. Over here we have the bedroom, nice closet in the end. Queen size bed will work there. And as we walk back out through the kitchen, right beside the entrance is the bathroom. Nice tile work, counters, and then around the corner is the second bedroom. Very good size, nice and bright again. Good size closet. So that's 2286 South Blue Island. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 and visit our website, 5 Star Realty Service.